Pregnancy, childbirth, and the postpartum period can be really wonderful times to really cherish and enjoy and notice the changes, the great changes that are happening with your family. But sometimes for some people, it can be really challenging time and not what some people have expected in regards to the emotional feelings or the emotional roller coaster of highs and lows, or just feeling really overwhelmed or feeling like you're not enough. And it's important to think about how you're feeling, take that in consideration, and to know that you're just as important as your baby. So we encourage you to talk about how you're feeling to your healthcare provider or any loved ones who are close to you that you trust, so that you can feel supported. So the resources that are available are at the national level. There is a national hotline that's available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Postpartum Support Virginia is also a great resource. And then here in Fairfax County, we do have home visiting programs that are here to serve you and the community. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness, and it's okay to not be okay. It's important to really nurture yourself so that you can be the best mom that you can be for yourself and for your family.